If I had to describe Dr. Helen Pass in one word, it would be quite simply extraordinary.
Helen Pass really wants to make a difference in women's lives and how they view cancer in their lives.
So she's really able to drill down to what matters.
Dr. Pass is a nationally known breast surgeon, and she's right here in town in Stamford.
Simply by taking care of the whole patient, Dr. Pass did it differently and better than anybody else I've ever worked with. She really is a rock star at what she does.
I always knew I liked taking care of patients with cancer, and as a female cancer surgeon, you're either drawn to breast or you say, oh, I don't do breast. And as more and more women look for female surgeons who do breast cancer, my practice grew. And that was 20 years ago, and I couldn't be happier.
I asked her what it meant to be a breast surgeon, and she said it was to return people to their real lives.
She's also very dedicated to maintaining the emotional well-being of her patients, which is critical.
I've worked with some very talented surgeons, some talented clinicians, and Dr. Pass is at the top of that list.
I respected people who were good both in and out of the operating room. I think so many surgeons focus on their technical skills, and I can take this and technically fix it, that they sometimes forget that the patient is a person.
So Dr. Pass is not only an amazing surgeon and an amazing doctor, she also represents an entire system of care that exists at Stamford Hospital.
She's very focused on prevention and making sure that she catches cancers very, very early. She's really focused on what happens in the treatment plan so that patients are part of that treatment plan and understand what to expect.
Patients had a life before cancer, and I firmly believe that just getting them through treatment is not enough. I want them to not only get through treatment, but then I want them to go back to everything they were doing before.
She's a human being first. She talks about her children, she talks about her family, she talks about her friends and her neighbors. She's had a profound impact on the whole community here.
And her philosophy and our philosophy at Stamford for patient-centered care meshed perfectly, and so we were delighted to recruit her to Stamford Hospital.
I was really impressed with everything Stamford puts around a patient and puts patients and really their families first. And so knowing I could not only give patients the best surgical option, but could package it with the best care possible and do it all in their backyard is really why I came here.